This is a quick video on using Excel and Outlook using Windward System 5 on cloud. We'll just log into our active session here, and what we're going to do is just run an inventory report real quick to show you how this works. You just right click, export to Microsoft Excel, and then this is going to save the file locally and then open up an instance of Excel on your local machine where you can do your Excel magic locally. Now let's look at an example where we're going to email from System 5. We're just going to go ahead and print a statement as an example here. You click on that PDF button, verify the email address, and go ahead and send. And this will open up in your local copy of Outlook where you can compose your message and send from there. Talk to your account manager to migrate to System 5 on cloud.